Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that every home chef needs: the HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 6-piece fry pan set. And let me tell you, folks, this is hands down the best frying pan set you can buy. Now, let's get right into it. The HexClad Hybrid Nonstick Fry Pan Set is not your ordinary cookware. It's a game changer in the kitchen. Here's why. First, let's talk about HexClad's patented hybrid technology. This set utilizes a tri-ply construction, aluminum sandwiched between two layers of stainless steel, and laser etched with a unique hexagonal nonstick surface. What does this mean for your cooking? It combines the searing power of stainless steel, the durability of cast iron, and the easy cleanup of nonstick. It's like having 3 cooking superheroes in one pan. But that's not all. The HexClad 6-piece fry pan set offers unparalleled versatility. With 3 different sizes, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch, you're equipped for any cooking occasion. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or simmering, these pans have got you covered. And here's the kicker. You can use these HexClad pans on any home cooktop or stovetop, including induction. That's right, it's induction ready. Plus, they are scratch resistant, dishwasher safe, and oven safe up to a scorching 500 degrees Fahrenheit. These pans are built to withstand anything you throw at them. Speaking of durability, HexClad products backed by a lifetime warranty from manufacturer's defects. That's a level of confidence that's hard to beat. Commercial and restaurant use? No problem. Now, let's talk about what you get in this 6-piece set. It includes one 8-inch frying pan, one 10-inch frying pan, and one 12-inch frying pan, each with its own tempered glass lid. It's everything you need to start cooking like a pro. In conclusion, folks, the HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 6-piece fry pan set is the best frying pan set you can invest in. With its patented technology, versatility, compatibility, and unbeatable durability, it's a kitchen game changer. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just getting started, these pans will take your cooking to the next level. Don't miss out on this culinary masterpiece. And there you have it, our review of the HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 6-piece fry pan set. If you want to elevate your cooking experience, be sure to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on these incredible pans. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more amazing products.